1. Roger is going to use the scales. What does he want to do? 2. It is 4:15. What time is it? 3. He wants to get in touch with his instructor. What does he want to do? 4. Bill said that he felt sleepy. What did he say? 5. Donald has a pain in his chest. Where is the pain? 6. My shirt is made of synthetic fabric. What kind of fabric is it? 7. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday we went to town. When did we go? 8. I have to be in the dentist's office at 1:15. When do I have to be there? 9. What color are her shoes? 10. Air is a mixture of gases surrounding the Earth. What is air? 11. Edward often uses the dictionary. What does he often do? 12. Joe is going to the barber shop. Why?